Presenting your thesis work confidently is a big deal, but with the right approach, you can do it. In this video, we will break it down into simple steps to help you shine when sharing your hard work and research. Number 1. Prepare thoroughly. Start by thoroughly knowing your thesis work. Understand the main points, key findings, and any potential questions. When you are confident about your work, it's easier to present. Number 2. Organize your presentation. Create a clear structure for your presentation. Start with an introduction, outline your main points, and conclude with a summary. A well-structured presentation is easier for both you and your audience to follow. Number 3. Practice, practice, practice. Practice your presentation multiple times before the actual presentation day. This helps you become more familiar with your material and boost your confidence. Number 4. Visual aids. Use visual aids like slides or charts to support your points. Visuals can make complex ideas easier to understand and make you feel more in control during the presentation. Number 5. Know your audience. Understand who you are presenting to. Consider their background and knowledge level. Tailor your presentation accordingly, using languages and examples that can relate to. Number 6. Speak slowly and clearly. When presenting, speak slowly and clearly. It's easy to rush when you are nervous, but slowing down makes you sound more confident and help your audience follow along. Number 7. Prepare for questions. Anticipate possible questions and prepare answer in advance. This way, you won't be caught off guard and it boosts your confidence. Number 8. Celebrate your achievement. After a successful presentation, take some time to celebrate your hard work and accomplishment. Reward yourself for a job well done. Remember, presenting your thesis work confidently is a skill that can be developed with practice and the right mindset. You have put in the efforts to complete your thesis, so you have already accomplished a lot. Now, it's time to showcase your work with confidence.